Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use this event lantern in Grow a Garden new very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this new very update, the admin has just added this new event lantern item, and if you want to get this item, you can go to the crafting table and then you can craft this event lantern. Okay, and these are the items you will need to craft the event lantern. You will need recall wrench, apple, and also shackles. And the crafting time only 10 seconds, guys. You just need to click on craft here, and then you can submit the item. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can use this event lantern. So guys, you can use it to instantly teleport to the very event. You can click anywhere and then you will automatically move to the very event area. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to get and use event lantern in Grow a Garden new very update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.